That's going to be awesome, guys. Here we go. Today, we're gonna go for salmon. This is only my second time in kayaking. The first one, it's a good experience. I went out with Die Hard Fishing. We drove for 4 hours, nothing. We didn't catch anything at all. When's the season end? The end of the month. The end of the month. So the season for salmon will be at the end of the month. We really have to get out here, and now it's middle of October. So I guess this is going to be my last trip for kayaking. Hopefully we catch one today. Let's go. I'm only turning one side. I'm spinning.
Yeah, all the way out and then hook it.
Oh, right there. Oh, yeah, I forgot about this. We're ready. Let's go. We're gonna catch fish. We're gonna catch salmon. Let's go.
Salmon's like the hardest, you know, like it's usual for people to stump like 10 times before they finally catch their first salmon, you know. Like,
again, I'm here now with this guy right here. He's the man. Jason Tanagon. I like the weather today. The swell is like 2 feet, right?
it's like 3 feet. Like
3 feet? It's
way offshore.
It's flat right now, guys. It's flat. I had a feeling we're gonna catch one today. A good one.
Alright, let's deploy your line.
Alright.
Start at 30.
30? You got a barbless hook here. When you're fishing for salmon, your hook has to be a barbless. Alright guys, we're trolling now. We're trolling. There's my line. We're running 2 miles per hour. My line is down there 30 feet. I'm using a watermelon apex. So what we're doing right now, I'm just following that boat right there. Right there, I don't know if you can see that, guys. Because I think they know where the fish are. Can't find Jason. I'm just by myself here right now. I can't wait, guys. Can't wait to hook up. I'm using watermelon apex. I'm using also the deep 6 instead of a downrigger. Downrigger is, you know, you can really pinpoint how deep you are. But with a deep 6, it dives down, but you still on the certain angle. Even though you have the meter here for depth, it's not going to be accurate on how deep your bait are. So because it has the angle. So right now I'm running it on a 30 feet, so it's an angle like that. The line is 30. I don't know if it's 45 angle. That's probably like I'm on a 15. We're just gonna go here because that guy right there just hook up, and the boat behind me too hook up one. So we're just gonna circle around this area right here. Seems like the fish are here. They just landed a fish. Good one too. Is that Nick?
Yeah, what's up?
Nick! How's it going, bro?
What's that?
More than fishing!
Oh my gosh!
How is it?
It's kind of slow today.
Yeah, they'll be catching over here.
Right here they're catching?
Yeah. Just now. What's up?
Hey.
How's it going? Why are you eating banana?
I know, stay away from him.
I know, that's why I turned around right away. Let's go. Let's go fishing, let's go. I'll fish on. Pedal away. Woo! Oh, I think it's gone. It's gone. Oh my goodness. Got away. What? It's gone. Oh no, it's still in. It's still there. What are we gonna do?
Find the fish.
Find the fish. All right, find the fish. Woo! Fish on. All right, here we go. Let's go, guys. Let's find this fish. Woo!
Reel.
you got a fish?
Yeah, I got a fish. Oh my gosh.
Take your time.
Oh yeah. Oh, fighting here. Woo! Fighting hard.
Watch out, guys. Fish on. They're right behind you. Go. You good? Pedaling away.
Oh
Get
god.
it, buddy.
How's it going, bro? All right, fish on. Okay, this is gonna be my first fish, guys. Forgive me if I'm doing it wrong. All right, let's go. Conventional reel. I'm not used to conventional. Oh my God.
Come on, man. Get that fish.
All right, let's go. Oh man, your line. I'm on your line. Okay, not biting. Alrighty, dude, let's go. Oh my gosh, where's the fish? It's heavy though. I think it's still there. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Go ahead, fight. Oh my God. Did I loosen his drag?
No, you're good.
Oh shoot. Oh, right there, I can see it now. This is awesome, guys. Let's go. Woo!
Don't pull his head out of the water.
See him?
Lift up a little bit.
Dude, it's big. All right, Jason, got it. Don't lose it. Oh, shoot.
Reel.
Woo!
Go man, do like.
You got him?
Got him.
Oh, yeah! Woo! Yeah! That's what I'm saying! Woo! Yeah! Yeah, baby! Oh my goodness! That was crazy! Oh my gosh! Ha! That's what I'm saying, guys! That's what I'm talking about! Woo!
Hey, so are you gonna get a kayak now or what?
I'm not getting kayak, man! Too expensive!
Hey,
It's a coho, we gotta let
that
go.
fish is $200.
Oh, it's a coho?
I'm just kidding.
Dude! Don't do that to me!
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah!
No sand crab out
No
here.
sand crabs here, no sand crabs. Woo! I knew it, I feel it. I can feel it. I'm gonna catch one.
Dude, I've been out here for hours, man. You come out here for 10 minutes.
Let me see that. Oh! Dude, look how big that is. That is.
Yeah, strap.
Oh my gosh. Jason, you're the man. I don't even know if I'm gonna land that fish without this guy right here. Dude, that's big fish right there. Bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me get
Look
right
how
next
big
to you.
this is. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is. Thanks, Jason, for netting this huge fish right here.
Good job,
Look
dude.
at this. I don't know how much this weighs though. It's heavy, and also
10, 15 pounds.
yeah. And I don't know what's the length of this fish. This is just
Okay,
let's
measure it. Yeah.
dude.
It looks maybe
This is
26,
big.
27. Yeah, buddy.
Dude, let me. Alrighty, guys. Let's see this.
You're gonna break that, man.
Oh my goodness. This is 32 inches, guys. 32 inches.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
For your first kayak fish?
First
oh my
kayak
god.
fish. Salmon with a 32 inches salmon right here. Choo! That's what I'm saying, bro.
Dude.
Look at that.
Wow. Wow.
Alrighty, guys. We're back in action. Guys. Go, let's go. Let me pull this up. Looks like I got something here. Yeah, I think I got something here. I think I got a salmon here. It's heavy. Oh, I got a. Dang it. I got a big smelt. That's why. Look at how big that is. Oh my gosh.
Salmon?
Smelt. All right, I'm really tired right now, guys. I'm gonna have to rest. I'm gonna take a break for 15 minutes, man. We've been trolling for 2 hours now. 2 hours straight, non-stop. Man, I'm so tired right now. You gotta have to understand, guys. This is only my second time kayaking. And I'm 41 years old. Everything is hurting right now. My legs, my foot, my back. Oh my God, especially my back. It hurts right now. All right, catch you back. GoPro, stop recording. That's a good 5-minute rest. And let's get back to action, guys. Let me just show you guys what I'm using right now. I got this Deep 6. So this one, the purpose of this is just when you drop this, and this one will sink down, will dive down. There's a ball right here that locks it in. So when you hook up, this one will snap out. This thing will go free, and so that you know you will not dive down while you're reeling in that fish. You gotta have to snap this back in, and from there I got this leader right here. This is probably a 30-pound leader. This lure is the Watermelon Apex. Again, you gotta have to be a barbless hook. This thing just swims side to side like this. We're gonna get back there and hopefully we catch our limit today. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of birds right here. They're just chilling out here. So I'm gonna go around those birds. I don't know if you can see that, it's right there. For sure there's fish there, that's why they're hanging around there. I'm not gonna go on them straight. I'm gonna go circle around them. Because I think the fish is not right in the center of the ball. The fish should be outside, so I'm gonna go on the sides. Right here. I'm on the side of this bird right here. See those birds? Birds. And anytime now, guys, we're gonna get a bite. Alright, guys, the bites kind of died down. And since the last catch, I've been trolling for an hour, and then I haven't seen anyone catching fish anymore. Just gonna take a break, and we'll get back again to it. I'll probably have an hour.
You have 1 hour to catch your limit.
Dude, we're gonna catch one.
We're stuck here.
We're gonna catch another one. We're gonna catch another one. I'm hungry. Let's go eat somewhere. We deserve our food, man. Fish and chips is good. Let's go. So we're heading back now. This is probably our last stroll. And we're gonna eat fish and chips. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Fish on! Fish on! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh, so
Got the rod, got the rod.
okay, another one right here, guys. Another. Come on, let's go. Let's go. I think I lost it.
Reel.
All right, got it. Oh shoot!
Make sure you keep bending the rod.
Okay. I'm gonna shoot. There you go. Fish on.
Turn right.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Get him, boy. Get him.
Oh shoot.
Oh, man. Reel. Pedal
Okay,
away.
let's go. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh no. I lost it.
Left turn.
I think I lost it. Oh shoot. I lost it. Oh, it's still there.
Got a fish on, guys, right by the harbor.
Right here. Oh,
Keep him in the water.
oh yeah, baby.
You want to net him?
Yeah. Oh, you know what? You go do it.
Huh?
You go do it. Net it.
Hold on. Don't pull him out of the water.
Right there. Woo! Underneath.
Reel down.
Shoot.
Pull. Lift him up here.
Get him, bro. Get him. Yeah! Woo! That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying. Yeah! Woo! Yeah, baby. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Let me see that fish. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh yeah. I thought I lost him too. He stopped fighting. He was like, okay, take me. I'm tired. Oh my gosh. That's a good 25 inches right there. I was thinking of netting it, but you know, no, I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to lose the chance. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Limit. Did I say that? On our way there, we're gonna catch one. And it happened.